Alright, Secret DIY here, and today on this Fan-Dabby Dozy episode I'm going to be showing you how I made this for my daughter's room. So with that said, let's get cracked on. So first thing I did is I glued everything together, screwed it all together and got everything set up, ready for squaring everything up. So what I can do now is this should be solid enough at this bottom with the glue, so I can start manoeuvring it to make sure it's square, and I'm going to show you how we do that now. So let's get this on its back and then I'll be able to go from there. But what you want to do is you want to try and make sure you do it on your front. You put it on your front because you've got to put the back on and cut the back down. Right, let's get cracked on with that. Now, because you've got everything glued, this side here didn't move. So all I do now is I can manipulate this to wherever I want. I can give it a tap this way, tap that way. Before I put the screws in this side, I can make sure it's all square. And the easy way to do that is this. Get your tape measure, put it on the corner, okay. Go all the way here to there. Now that reads 196 into this corner here. Okay, so I'm basically going into the corner there, and that reads 196. I get this side. Okay, put it on this here. And into this corner here, it reads 197. So I know that I need to make this now 196 and a half, and as long as I make this 196 and a half by tapping it this way, hopefully. And I just keep tapping it like that until I get it to 196 and a half. And as soon as I've done that, I know this is square. So when I go that side and it says 196, and I go this side and do exactly the same, it says 196, I know that's square, and then I can start putting my screws in to make sure that it stays square, ready for the back to go on. So that said, I'm going to get that done now and get this all, both sides basically staying the same, and then I'm going to get on it and show you how I'm going to do the back. Let's get cracked on. So I'm at this point now where I've finally got it done and got it all together, and I'm now I've turned it over. So I've squared everything up, I've screwed everything together, then I've placed the back on and I've penciled the back so it's all ready to cut down, and then plunge sawed everything up. Once I plunge sawed everything up, then I glued and I pinned everything on. So I'm all sorted now. So it's just a case now, because I'm going to start making the doors, and I've been measuring everything up, and I don't know, no, then I'm going to be too short. But I'm going to get on with all the doors and everything and start making all the doors and getting everything together. And then, after that, I've got some architrave to put on the front of here, which I'm going to put on. And then it's just basically fitting it and then getting it all screwed in. So, with that said, let's get cracked on and I'll start getting that done. So all I'm going to do is, I've got myself some of this adhesive, wood adhesive glue. I'm going to go lumberjack, use that loads of times as well. And then all you need is some Mite Fast, which is here. There you go, Mite Bond, and Mite Bond again. Or you can get Mite Fast, or you can get Quick Fast. I don't know, there's loads of stuff out there. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this on here like so. Mark all that up, and then I'll just put that there. And all I'm doing here is I'm just going to mark it all up so I've got my line, so I know where I want to be putting my glue. This stuff goes on off in about 2 minutes with the activator. This stuff goes off about 5 minutes, but within half an hour it's rock solid. So then you can do what you want with it then. So pencil. So I've got my pencil. Mark everything up. That way. That way. That way. And then one at the top here. Once I've done that, I can take everything off. So all I do is write left, right, top, bottom, and all I do then is just left, right, top, bottom, and it should look like this, just so you know where everything goes in. There you go, all marked on, so I hope you can see that on the camera. So all I do then is come to this bit, and I just get me Mite Bond, and I will start with the left side. So I'll put some on there, some on there. Now this stuff isn't permanent, well this stuff is, so that's why I've got to put 2 on. But this will stick this on within 5 minutes, and then what will happen is this, when it finally, this stuff will hold until this stuff dries, and then this is the permanent bit, this bit here, and basically we're sound then. So all I do is go to the left side, put some on here, there, 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 and then I spray this gear on, yeah. Like so. Now it's a case of turning it over, just lining it up like so. Squash it on. Now that should be sound. Yeah, that's going nowhere now. Now it's just a case of going right round, doing exactly the same until you're finished. There we have it, all done. So I'm going to leave that now for half an hour. I'm going to get the other one done, and then once they're done I'm going to show you what happens, because this all flares up, you see, and how to get rid of all that and how to clean them up. And then yeah, we're good to go and start setting these off, put these inside. So I'll get cracked on with the other one and I'll see you in a sec. Go. Too far I could do with going in a bit, but you get the adjust. So I'll do all the way around now, and I'll get that sound sorted, get that done, and then I can show you how I'm going to do all the doors, set all the doors up as well, so these open and close with the hinges. So I'll get on to that bit now. So basically the doors are all sorted now. I've got them all lined up perfect how I want them, and I've cut them down to position how I want them. Right, so I've got this Craig thing now, and obviously what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shot, obviously I've got the hinge side, so I'm going to drill through here on the hinge side, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these up, where are they? I think they're in here, to be fair. I'll pull that, oh there they are. I'm going to put these on some hinges. So that said, let's get cracked on. So all you do is I'm going to turn this side over like so, and then turn this side over like so, and then it's just a case of putting where I think the hinges should go. So I'll get my set square. So I'll get my set square, and I'm thinking maybe too high. That's 50, so I'll just go down to 70, I think. Go to 70mm. Get my pencil. Here it is. Alright, 70mm. Get my pencil. Mark 70mm there. Go down here. Mark 70mm there. Go on here. Like so. Mark 70mm. And then mark 70mm here. And it's just a case of getting this Craig here, and then all I do is find the middle of my 70mm mark, like so. That goes on like that. Where is it? Oh, I'll use these. And then I've got me drill here, like that. Put this over here like so. Now I've just thought there, I've used this for a while. This actually comes out like that, so that comes apart like that. So it's in place like so, and then mark it up. And then you just go. So I've finally done all the holes. So what I like to do is to make sure they're all straight. I like to get this here, I like to put that on, and I get my set square. And all I do is just put it over like so. I need to make this a bit longer. That'll do. And then I put them over, and that keeps them straight, ready to screw in. Perfect. So let's get that on there. And then, I know it's absolutely perfectly straight like that. And all we're doing now is continue putting the rest in. So I've set everything up how I want it now, so I know all I do now is mark it like so. Okay, mark it there, mark it here, and then it's just a case of going down, down. Now I know where everything is, so when I pull it up and screw everything in, it'll be spot on, just like this. And what I've done is here at the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, get rid of this. Here at the bottom, all I've done is I raise it up to there, and I know that's where I want it, so that's where I'm going to put my screws. So all I'm going to do is I mark everything up, okay, off the lines I've done, and then all I've done is lift it up so far, put my marks where I want them with my pencil, and then just pilot all them and drill them in, and that's what I'll show you now, how I've done it. So that's it, all finished at last. Got the door handles on, all lovely painted, all corked up and all done. So I'm quite happy with that. The wife's happy, the daughter's happy, everyone's happy at last. Obviously they're working lovely. There might be a shelf I need to put inside that, but I can do that later on. I'll let the wife decide that. But apart from that, I'm done. So just like to turn around and say thanks very much for watching. If you can find it in your heart to subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff, that'd be brilliant. And how do I leave you as always? Take care, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks very much.